Hi, Meghalatha this side. Welcome to my channel. The topic of today's video is about intermittent fasting. What we are going to see is its major health benefits. We'll explore different fasting methods. We'll discuss situations where it should be totally avoided and which category of people should follow this with proper advice from their healthcare professionals, and identify who can safely adopt this practice for a healthier lifestyle. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. It has been extensively researched on intermittent fasting, and the results of the researchers have shown promising results in improving overall health and well-being. Now let's see some of the major health benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting offers several remarkable health benefits. Firstly, it promotes weight loss by reducing calorie intake and boosting metabolism. Intermittent fasting helps your body burn stored fat for energy, leading to gradual and sustainable weight loss. Additionally, intermittent fasting supports brain health by enhancing cognitive function and increasing the production of new brain cells. Studies have shown that it may protect against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Intermittent fasting also has been associated with improved heart health. It helps reduce LDL cholesterol, that is the bad cholesterol, blood triglyceride levels and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Moreover, it aids in the regulation of blood sugar levels, enhancing insulin sensitivity and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. And finally, intermittent fasting has shown potential in reducing inflammation in the body, which is often associated with various chronic diseases. There are several popular intermittent fasting methods, each with its unique approach. Now let's see what are the various methods and which is the best method to follow for intermittent fasting. The 16/8 method. In this method, you fast for 16 hours and restrict your eating window to just 8 hours. Most people skip breakfast and eat 2 or 3 meals during the remaining hours. Another method of intermittent fasting is 5-2 diet. This method involves eating normally for 5 days of a week and restricting calorie intake to 500 and 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days in the week. There's also alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, it involves alternating between fasting days and regular eating days. There's another method called eat, stop, eat method. This approach involves fasting for 24 hours once or twice per week. There is this warrior diet. In this method, it involves eating small amounts of fruits and vegetables during the day and having one large meal at night. So there are so many different methods of fasting, intermittent fasting, but always keep in mind that it is essential to choose a fasting method that suits your lifestyle, and you consult with your healthcare professional before starting a new dietary regimen. Though intermittent fasting has numerous health benefits, we should remember that there are certain cases where it should be totally avoided. So now let's see who all should avoid opting for intermittent fasting. The individuals with eating disorders or a history of disordered eating should definitely avoid following intermittent fasting. The pregnant women or breastfeeding women should certainly avoid opting for intermittent fasting, as they require additional nutrients for proper fetal development or nursing. People with diabetes or blood sugar regulation issues should never opt for intermittent fasting without proper advice from their healthcare professional, because fasting can affect insulin levels. Individuals with a history of low blood pressure or who are currently taking medication for blood pressure regulation should again avoid intermittent fasting without consulting their healthcare professional. And those with underlying medical conditions or compromised immune systems should consult with their healthcare provider before attempting intermittent fasting. Though intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone as mentioned in above cases, there are many individuals who can safely adopt this approach. These include generally healthy adults who have no underlying health conditions or any special dietary requirements, the individuals seeking to lose weight or improve metabolic health, people looking to enhance brain function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, and those aiming to reduce the risk of heart disease and improve heart health can also safely opt for intermittent fasting. The individuals who wish to regulate blood sugar levels and decrease the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, especially if you are genetically predisposed for type 2 diabetes or if you have heavy midsection which increases the risk of developing insulin resistance, which leads to type 2 diabetes. It is suggested to always prioritize your health and well-being by consulting with your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. It is important to note that the benefits of intermittent fasting may not be fully realized without a certain level of consistency. Additionally, along with intermittent fasting, any dietary or lifestyle change should also be made, and it should be tailored to individual needs and most importantly should be sustainable in the long run. Only then maintenance of consistency would be possible. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of intermittent fasting. While we cannot underestimate the value of intermittent fasting that can contribute to significant health benefits, it's also crucial to select the method that aligns with your circumstances and goals. Always prioritize your well-being and make informed decisions based on expert advice. Stay tuned for more informative videos on various health-related topics. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Thanks for watching.